ഹലോ ഫ്രണ്ട്സ്, വെൽക്കം ടു എജു എക്സാം ടിപ്സ്. കഴിഞ്ഞ വീഡിയോയിൽ PSC മുൻ വർഷങ്ങളിൽ നടത്തിയിട്ടുള്ള എക്സാമുകളിൽ വന്നിട്ടുള്ള ഫ്രേസൽ വെർബുകളുമായി ബന്ധപ്പെട്ട ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ആയിരുന്നു ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്തിരുന്നത്. ഇന്നും അതിൻ്റെ കണ്ടിന്യൂസ് തന്നെയാണ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. ബാക്കിയുള്ള കുറച്ച് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് കൂടെ നമുക്ക് നോക്കാം. Question number 16. The teacher wanted the students to dash the important points. Options: A. Take after, B. Take off, C. Take down, D. Take into. The teacher wanted the students to take down. Answer C. Take down the important points. Replace the word underlined with the correct one given below. I cannot understand what the police said. Options: A. Go through, B. Make out, C. Come across, D. Made out. I cannot understand what the police said. Understand. Answer B. Make out. I cannot make out what the police said. Make out means to understand. Replace the italicized words with a suitable phrasal verb. I found by chance an interesting picture in that magazine. I found by chance an interesting picture in that magazine. Options: A. Came down, B. Came up, C. Came across, D. Came over. Answer C. Came across. Came across means I found by chance. Found by chance. The car dash at the gate of the house. The car dash at the gate of the house. Options: A. Looked out, B. Pulled up, C. Set in, D. Gave in. The car pulled up at the gate of the house. Pulled up means to stop. Answer B. Pulled up. Use phrasal verb. The plane dash after repairs. Options: A. Took off, B. Took over, C. Took with, D. Took by. The plane took off after repairs. Answer A. She did not know how to dash all her difficulties. She did not know how to dash all her difficulties. Options: A. Put on, B. Called on, C. Get over, D. Look after. She did not know how to get over all her difficulties. Answer C. Get over. We usually dash early and go for a walk. Options: A. Get up, B. Got up, C. Have got up, D. Getting up. We usually get up early and go for a walk. Get up means stand up. Answer A. Choose the correct phrasal verb to fill in the blank in the sentence. The government is sure to dash taxes soon. The government is sure to dash taxes soon. Options: A. Put up, B. Put off, C. Put across, D. Put in. The government is sure to put up taxes soon. Put up means tolerate. Answer A. Put up. The party started at 4 o'clock but Ronnie dash half an hour late. Options: A. Called at, B. Turned up, C. Turned on, D. Called off. The party started at 4 o'clock but Ronnie turned up. Ronnie turned up half an hour late. Answer B. Turned up. The beggar dash cry in a horrible voice. Options: A. Put forward, B. Put up with, C. Went on, D. Put in. The beggar went on crying in a horrible voice. Went on, continue. Made a search of means. Options: A. Bought, B. caught, C. sought, D. decided. Made a search of means sought എന്നുള്ളത് സീക്കിൻ്റെ പാസ്റ്റ് ടെൻസ് ആണ്. ആൻസർ C. Sought. Which of the following means understand? Options A. Make out. B. Turn out. C. Put out. D. Get out. Understand? Make out. Answer A. Make out. The rank holders visited their teacher to thank him. The underlined word can be replaced by options A. Called at. B. Called in. C. Called for. D. Called on. Called on. Answer D. Called on. Called on means visit. We will cancel the trip if the weather is bad. We will cancel the trip if the weather is bad. Replace the word underlined with the correct phrasal verb from the bracket. Options A. Call at. B. Call off. C. Call in. D. Call upon. Cancel. B. Call off. Call off means cancel. Answer B. The new MP dashed the Prime Minister yesterday. Options A. Called on. B. Got on. C. Called at. D. Got at. The new MP dash. The new MP called on the Prime Minister yesterday. Answer A. Called on. Called on means visit. അപ്പോൾ ഓക്കെ ഫ്രണ്ട്സ്, എൻ്റെ ഈ വീഡിയോ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഇഷ്ടമായെങ്കിൽ നിങ്ങൾ ലൈക്ക് ചെയ്യാനും സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യാനും മറക്കരുത്. താങ്ക് യു ഫോർ വാച്ചിങ്.